It's the responsibility of everyone in the supply chain to make sure that a product is compliant. It's the responsibility of a manufacturer to make sure that everything that leaves his factory is compliant with the relevant standards and legislation that's wrapped around that product. It's the responsibility of the distributor to make sure he's only supplying compliant products, and the responsibility of the installer to make sure that the installation is only using compliant products. And it's the responsibility of everyone throughout that supply chain to make sure that their due diligence is actually in place to double check that they're not being duped into actually taking either counterfeit or non-compliant components or finished goods.
Well, we're all responsible for ensuring that compliant products are used on an installation. The specifier needs to ensure that he's using a product that's been rigorously tested and meets the requirement of the standards, and that can be done by using a reputable brand that he knows and can trust. Users also have to be vigilant to ensure that the product that has been specified is the product that's been supplied. And then users also need to be vigilant to ensure that the products are working correctly when they're being used. At the end of the day, we're all responsible to make sure that the products are compliant with the regulations.
Fundamentally, it's everybody's responsibility to ensure that the products they're using are compliant. From the installer, which tends to be at the end of the supply chain, we do have a lot of trust in ensuring that the supply chain we're buying from is robust. If that supply chain breaks, that's when non-compliant product starts coming to the market, and inevitably we're installing non-compliant product without essentially us knowing. So it is everyone's responsibility. We've got to be vigilant. We've got to look at kind of the key touch points in identifying non-compliant product. And if we do identify, actually go back and tell the supply chain, tell the manufacturers, tell our distributors who we're buying it from that there was an issue.
The responsibility lies with the contractor. When they install any installation, they have to sign an electrical certificate to say the installation complies. And that's ensuring the products they use within the installation in the wiring system is compliant with the electrical standards.